Hey guys, Pepper in the Woods here. This video is for people who have the Stanley cook set and love coffee. If you're not those people, then just skip ahead, go to the next video, watch this video instead. But this is for those people who like nice coffee out in the woods and just want to relax and have the Stanley cook set. Okay, so let me show you that. Right, so this is the Stanley cooker, and I recently purchased with my Pathfinder stuff the nesting cup that goes with the Pathfinder bottle, and that fits really well together, so that gives you more room inside to put all the essentials you might need. So instead of using these little plastic cups it comes with. So now all I have to do now is add my coffee grinds to the pot. Cool, so now I add the water. Now what I recently found, well I didn't recently, I just never showed anybody, but you know the cafetiers, this is I think a 4-cup cafetiere holder. This one here, the top part comes off, but also so does a pole, and this fits inside the Stanley cook set. So pretty much you have a takedown cafetiere. So now all I have to do is pop that and that, pop that and that, press down, take that off, pour, and now I have a nice cup of coffee without having any grit in it. Again, this is just for people who like coffee out, you know, in the woods and stuff and want to go out and relax. If I go out in the woods and I don't want to do any filming or whatever and just chill out for the day, I'll bring this with me, have a nice cup of coffee, maybe a couple of cups, and I'm good to go for the rest of the day and just, you know, work on any skills I want to work on and stuff like that. But I just want to show you guys a really simple one. You can find these about £2 in car boot sales or secondhand shops or whatever. It's not an expensive item. Just make sure they do, you know, they come apart and all of it packs inside the bag really nicely. Time to go. You already had your coffee, did your relaxing. All you have to do is unscrew this bit, pop that inside, squeeze these handles down, just put the cup back in the bag, and then take the metal bit, slide it down the side. This is the lid that comes with the Stanley cook kit, but just put that on top, or you can just put it in here. There you go. And you can keep your coffee in the front bit, your sugar, and your fire kit in the front, and here you go. You have a whole nice little coffee kit.